Here we will write a Python program to find sum of first and last digit of a number. So first in comment line we will write, for this first we will write function find sum with one parameter. First we will separate out the last digit and store it in a variable. So L digit equal to n mod 10, which will separate the last digit from the number. And then we will use while loop. So while n greater than 0, we will separate out each digit from the number and store it in f digit. So f digit equal to n mod 10, and then we will remove the last digit from the number. So n equal to n floor division 10, and then outside the loop we will use sum 1 equal to f digit plus L digit, and then we will print this. So print, we will use formatting output as sum of f digit plus L digit equal to sum 1, and outside the function we will accept number from user. So n equal to int input enter number, and we will call the function find sum and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we execute this. I will enter the number 1 2 3. It will print sum of 1 plus 3 is 4. If we execute again, I will give 4 5 6. It will print 4 plus 6 as 10.